Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we're going to be talking about our week-long experience with the Galaxy Tab S4. Now I've had a lot of ups and downs with this tablet, and I really want to narrow it for who I think this tablet is perfect for and who I don't think this tablet is perfect for. So first and foremost, if you did watch our unboxing, you saw my gripes with the price point. I thought it was too expensive for the price. It felt premium, it feels great, and there's a lot of great things about it, but for the price point of $650, I think Samsung overpriced it for what you got. However, I would have said that if Samsung would have put either more storage than just 64 gigs, if they would have put 128 standard at that price point, and if they would have added at least 6 gigs of RAM, that would have made this more of a productivity device. The big problem with this being a productivity device is a couple of things. First off, DeX. DeX really only makes sense if you have a keyboard dock. And you shouldn't, because this one's way better. We'll get to that in a second. But the keyboard dock is the only way you're really going to use this kind of experience otherwise. This look of Android really only is preferable with the keyboard or mouse. So I actually didn't mind not being able to switch to DeX at all, because I never use it, because if you don't have a keyboard or mouse, you're not really going to use this look of Android. Now, that being said, as a productivity device, the keyboard cover isn't honestly my preference. I never use it on the Tab S3. The Tab S4 doesn't have that much of an improvement. Yes, it's a little bit wider because of the new aspect ratio, but overall, as a productivity tool, it's not for me. Now, here was one big gripe that I had with it out of the box, and that is there is nothing to do with this S Pen. What do I mean by that? I mean, there's nowhere to put this S Pen. It literally, as a tablet and the pen, you have nowhere to put the pen. It has no magnets. It doesn't have a clip like last gen's model to put it somewhere. There is literally nothing you can do with it. But then you enter the case. This case is definitely the one I recommend getting. This book cover is just so well designed in how they present the tablet and the pen that actually I am now using the S Pen pretty much exclusively anytime I use this tablet, just because of this beautiful looking setup. So bravo, this book cover should be purchased by anyone thinking of buying this tablet. And overall for me, it's a much better thing than the keyboard cover. Now, here's the thing. Why don't I really like this as a productivity tool? I don't. I just don't see it as that much, and one of the main reasons is because of the lack of Microsoft Office. Now, what do I mean by that? Office does come pre-installed here, but to use it or editing it, you need a 365 subscription. Last time you didn't, but there's a reason for that. See, anything over a 10-inch screen, last gen was 9.7, this gen is 10.5, you do not get the ability to edit on Microsoft Office. You are required to get a 365 subscription. This is because then Microsoft sees you as a threat to Surface tablets, and therefore they will not allow you to get it for free. So that's a big issue with not only this tablet, but also the iPad Pro. However, the big thing about it is that without that, it's not really more productive than last gen's model. Last gen's model was actually made more for productivity than this gen. However, this gen is weighed way more for multimedia. For multimedia, this tablet is the best out there, I would say. If you want to watch movies stream, think about this. There is, I don't think, anything out there that has an OLED display, 2K resolution, can last 15 hours of normal battery, and streaming so far in my testing, I would say about gonna be over at least 12 hours of straight streaming, HDR compliant, everything else. There is nothing under the $700 marker that ticks all those boxes as far as I know. If you do know, leave it in the comment section. I'm definitely curious. But as in terms of that, plus the quad speakers, which are really good, and plus a headphone jack. That one might stump you. So yeah, overall, it really has a lot of things that are perfect as a multimedia device. I actually also really like it for gaming. For gaming, it is a really good screen, really great for gaming. I am constantly playing games every day on it now. Now, I'm playing mainly Through the Ages, which is like just a perfect design tablet game. That's more of a board game, card game, so not heavy intensive graphics. Although Fortnite did look okay on it. I will be doing a review on that soon. But yeah, overall, that is my experience with this. I think if you want a multimedia device, this is ideal for you. I am not a fan of the keyboard cover. I am a big fan of the book cover. But that is my experience with the tablet so far. Now we will have to wait for the full review to put it through its paces of the full battery life, see if there's any other pros and cons that I really like about this tablet. What are your questions before we do the full review? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.